Hey Fit Friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini noodles. Do you guys eat zucchini noodles? Have you tried them yet? They're kind of the craze that's going on. They started a little bit ago when the no carb thing was in. Hey guys, my name's Mary. I'm a health and fitness coach and I've been a veggie freak, a veggie lover. I just love to cook vegetables. I love to eat vegetables for a really long time. I grew up on an acre of land, and my dad had these amazing, huge gardens, grew up with tons of fruits and veggies. So I'm going to show you, it's kind of a staple in our house lately, zucchini noodles. And they're so easy to make that I just had to show you guys, just in case you are a little bit confused. It's not an actual noodle itself, right? You can't go into the processed food section and find it sitting on the shelf. We're talking fresh zucchini here. All right, so I do have one zucchini, and then I have what is called a spiralizer. So this one is a really small one. They come in several shapes and sizes. I'm gonna put a link in the description on where you can look to purchase one. There's a thick section and a thin section, and you can see in there's these little blades, right? That's what helps to cut the zucchini. So I cut the tip off of the zucchini, and I'm simply going to shove the zucchini in the spiralizer and just simply twist the zucchini. So I'm gonna try to, I know. Look at our dirty sink, yep. In everybody's cups and things like that. But then I'm simply just going to start twisting the zucchini, and as you can see, the noodles come out in little forms of, the zucchini comes out in little forms of noodles, right? So it looks exactly like pasta. And guys, it's so, look at little snakes going on here, like garden snakes. But you have to be careful when you're cooking them, because you can definitely overcook them. And when you overcook them, your pot there's tons of water in there, which is not a big deal. But what I like to do is put olive oil in a pan, and then put a bunch of fresh garlic. So it kind of makes like this olive oil, garlic, olive oil. And then I'll just simply put all the zucchini noodles in there and like pan fry them for like 2 minutes. Not very long at all, because I don't want them overcooked. I like my vegetables really firm. And then you can add your own spaghetti sauce. You can add in fresh tomatoes. You can add in mushrooms. I like to add in mushrooms. And then if you'd like, add in a protein. And that is it. That's it. It takes you like probably less time to go into the processed food section and pick the package up the counter than it does to grab a few zucchinis. I would say my husband and I can probably eat a whole zucchini ourselves. So we might do 3 to 4 if the whole family is eating the zucchini noodles. All right, guys, so I'm going to put the link to where you can buy one of these. They're really inexpensive, and it's a great tool to have on hand. You can do zucchini, yellow squash, any type of squash. All right, guys, let me know if you've tried zucchini noodles before and how you like to prepare them. All right, take care. Peace out.